Hi, welcome. Today we are going to show you how to do a foot massage to calm your body, especially for the students and also for the youngsters, right? To get their temper, everything bit calmer. So that's why this foot massage will help them to concentrating on their education and their other day-to-day life. So please join with us. I will show you. Now, as we discussed about the previous video, so this is a special foot massage for the youngsters. We are trying to use for them. We are other videos you saw, we used to start from the right leg. So for the youngsters, we are always starting from the leg, left, right, and then the feet massage starting from the top of the ankle. So then we go up like this, right, and then we are coming to the right. So because they are energetic, so while you have the energy, and also now this is much more helpful for them to concentrate for studying and other extracurricular activities. So then you put some gently oil like this, and then I'm just going down like this, like this for the both feet, because the warm oil will help to calming down the person, but always it should be on the muscle must figure it out how you are going to use it and how it will work. So first you must, as normal, you must do like this. You must do like this, and then you must put the oil around the now see when you take the oil, your finger also must go like inside his fingers, right? So please make sure we are doing with a male body today, so these are applicable for the males, young males, okay? And make sure to keep it in mind. So very soon we will do the female also. So now when you do like this, you just have to not brush, but like go like this way, right? And do as much as you can, because they cannot do it either. This is helpful for them to do it, by somebody else must do it, either their partner or their friends or somebody. But make sure always while you are doing this massage, the person must be like this, because I am having the massaging table, so I am using the massaging table. You can use anything, either sofa or bed at home, and you can use a pillow. But whatever I am saying, please try to use some sort of a certified oil for this, otherwise there can be some caution. So always try to get some expert advice, especially from your family doctor, or whom you know, or some therapist whom you are going. So that is the best way. Or else if you need some small massage like this, you can do according to the tutorial, but it must be better if you can get some more advice and start. So do it like this, like this. See, when you do it, when you do this, when you do this, now always try to go like this. Then when you come up to the feet, so now you must be gently hold it like this and slowly do the pressurizing for the fingers. See, you must do slow pressurizing. pressurizing. Always make sure while you are massaging, never ever allow the feet to get dry. So when you feel it's getting dry, you always apply some oil and then do it. So while you are doing it, because it must be, and also make sure it has to be very slowly and gently. It should be worked. See, it should be worked slowly and gently. And then when you do this for both feet, if you do it for like 15 minutes or 10 minutes each for both feet, this will be much more practical, and you will feel the person will be wake up very nicely, and it will help for their studies and for focusing. So that's it for today. So I hope you all enjoyed my video.